We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what they say about the KEELIXIN 65.6 feet LED lights for bedroom, a product designed to transform your indoor spaces with vibrant, customizable lighting. If you own these lights, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The KEELIXIN 65.6 feet LED strip lights are marketed as a versatile lighting solution suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens, dorms, gaming setups, and more. Featuring 16 million color options and 22 dynamic modes, these lights promise to create any atmosphere you desire, from relaxing and cozy to energetic and festive. One of the most praised features is the music sync capability. With a built-in microphone, the lights can pulse, change color, and shift rhythm in real time with your music. This creates a dynamic, immersive environment perfect for parties, gaming, or simply enhancing your daily routine. Users consistently highlight this feature as a standout, noting how it brings an extra layer of fun and interactivity to their spaces. The lights can be controlled in two primary ways, via an included IR remote and through a dedicated smartphone app using Bluetooth connectivity. The app is frequently described as intuitive and robust, offering a wide range of customization options. You can adjust colors, brightness modes, and even set timers, all from your phone. This level of control is particularly appealing to those who want to fine-tune their lighting to match their mood or schedule. The IR remote, while functional, receives mixed feedback. Some users appreciate its straightforward design, but others find it a bit bulky and wish it had more direct access buttons for quick color and mode changes. Nevertheless, the app's comprehensive features more than compensate for any remote limitations. Installation is another area where the KEELIXIN lights excel. The adhesive backing is strong and reliable, making it easy to mount the strips along ceilings, under cabinets, behind TVs, or around furniture. Multiple reviewers note that the strips stick exceptionally well and remain in place over time, even in rooms with varying temperatures and humidity. The included user manual provides clear instructions, and the process is generally considered beginner-friendly. The 65.6-foot length is generous, allowing coverage of large rooms or multiple areas with a single kit. The lights are also cuttable, enabling precise customization to fit your specific space. However, it is important to note that connectors are required if you cut the strips, and these are not included in the package. This has been a minor inconvenience for some users who wish for a more complete kit. In terms of performance, the lights deliver vibrant, saturated colors with smooth transitions between modes. The sheer range of color options means you can easily tailor the ambience to suit any occasion, whether it's a quiet evening, a lively celebration, or a focused study session. The lights are dimmable, allowing for subtle accent lighting or bright, bold illumination as needed. While the brightness is generally sufficient for most bedroom and living room applications, a few users mention that they would prefer a bit more intensity for tasks like reading or watching movies. Despite this, the majority find the output more than adequate for decorative and mood-setting purposes. Durability is another strong point. Many reviewers report that the lights continue to function well over months of use, with no significant drop in performance. The included 24V power adapter is both energy efficient and reliable, contributing to the overall longevity of the product. The lights are designed for indoor use only, which is important to keep in mind if you are considering them for outdoor spaces. Customer service experiences are generally positive. In cases where a strip arrived malfunctioning or developed issues, users found it easy to arrange returns or replacements. This responsiveness adds to the overall sense of value and reliability associated with the KEELIXIN brand. That said, there are occasional reports of quality control issues, such as segments of the strip not lighting up or incorrect colors displaying when certain buttons are pressed. These problems appear to be relatively rare and are usually resolved promptly by the manufacturer. The product's versatility is frequently highlighted in reviews. Users have installed the lights in bedrooms, children's rooms, dorms, home offices, game rooms, and even for special occasions like birthdays and holidays. The ability to create different moods and themes with a single product is a major selling point, especially for those who enjoy redecorating or hosting events. The lights are also popular among parents looking to add a fun, customizable element to their children's rooms. The app's timer function is particularly useful for setting bedtime routines or automating lighting schedules. In terms of design, the strips are slim and unobtrusive when turned off, blending seamlessly into most environments. When illuminated, they provide a striking visual effect that can dramatically alter the look and feel of a room. The modern aesthetic, combined with the practical benefits of adjustable lighting, makes these strips a popular choice for both functional and decorative purposes. Some users mention that the length of the cord from the wall to the lights is around 3 to 4 feet, which can be limiting depending on your room layout. A longer cord would offer more flexibility in placement, especially in larger spaces or rooms with limited outlet access. Despite this minor drawback, most users are satisfied with the overall ease of installation and setup. The kit includes everything needed to get started: the 65.6-foot LED strip, a controller, the IR remote, a 24V power adapter, and a user manual. Batteries for the remote are included, which is a thoughtful touch. The strips are also designed to be dimmable and adjustable, further enhancing their versatility. The product has received a strong average rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars from nearly 10,000 reviewers, reflecting widespread satisfaction. It ranks highly in the LED strip lights category, indicating its popularity and reliability. Users consistently praise the combination of features, performance, and value for money. The lights are especially recommended for those seeking an affordable way to upgrade their living spaces with smart, customizable lighting. In summary, the KEELIXIN 65.6 feet LED lights for bedrooms stand out for their vibrant color range, robust app control, reliable adhesion, and engaging music sync feature. They're easy to install, versatile in use, and offer a high level of customization through both remote and app interfaces. While there are minor areas for improvement, such as the brightness level, remote design, and cord length, these do not significantly detract from the overall experience. The product's durability, energy efficiency, and strong customer support further enhance its appeal. If you are looking for a way to inject personality, ambiance, and fun into your home, these LED strip lights are an excellent choice. Whether for everyday use, special occasions, or simply to create a more inviting atmosphere, the KEELIXIN lights deliver on their promises. Remember, if you have experience with this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description, and using it supports the channel. Based on extensive user feedback and expert analysis, the KEELIXIN 65.6 feet LED lights for bedroom are a top pick for anyone seeking reliable, customizable, and feature-rich LED lighting for indoor spaces.
What?